Hello. Good afternoon. Please join first, please. Okay. Good afternoon, Bhavin. Thank you. Hello. Okay, another 2-3 minutes I am waiting, then only I'll start that because including me, only 25 people. Mhm. My chapter joined. Yes. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Just waiting a few minutes because 40 people are here, but only 28, including me. So another 1-2 minutes, just waiting. Then we'll start. And today it is the just past my first lecture. So I will go for some introduction. Salam Kumar Khan. But Thiru, I think they are from outside. Okay, now 1 second. We take 4 minutes. Okay. Hello. Good afternoon. Can you hear me, everybody? Hello. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. We have waited for the people, but still 26, including me. But okay. In time being, people will join with us. So, as you know that this is the first time I'm going to take your lectures. I think so. It is my first lecture with you people. I'm going to take in the lectures. So first day it is my that so I am going to give my introduction to you people. Then you will give your introduction one by one. After introduction, then I will come to the about the syllabus and something. Okay. so so I am starting now that my introduction that my name is Subrata Patra. I am associated with Department of Chemistry and Department of Chemical Engineering. I am basically from West Bengal. West Bengal. I have completed my BSc in chemistry honors from Calcutta University and MSc in chemistry from Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology. It is also in West Bengal. You know that IIEST. It is also one of the premier institutions in India in regarding the your engineering concept. It is the first engineering college in Asia. So when it was as a engineering college, that is Bengal Engineering College, initial name it is like that. After that they changed Bengal Engineering University, then like the now it is the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology. After my MSc in 2003, I came to Bhavnagar, Gujarat. There is one CSR lab that is also in Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute, CSMCRI. Locally, it is known as Salt Institution. It is CSR lab. I did my PhD from this institution based on supramolecular chemistry and application for water purification. After my PhD, I went to USA for a postdoctoral study. In USA, at Texas Christian University of Fort Worth, Texas, I did my postdoctoral study with on the dendimer chemistry and the composite of dendimer drugs and the drug delivery system for human prostate cancer therapy. After my 3 years postdoctoral study there, at 2014 end, I came back to our country, India. Then I joined as a temporary faculty position at Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, which is in Surat, SBNIT. It is known as SBNIT. So there I was there. There also I was involved in the BTech and B and BSc, MSc courses. I was there up to 2017 July. On 2017 July onwards, I have joined at Marwari University and I am associated with Department of Chemistry and Department of Chemical Engineering. This is the first time I am going to take your lectures. I will teach that I think that metal chemistry and composite materials, chemistry and composition, metal science and composition. So this is the my part for my introduction part. So I am requesting you people, please one by one start your introduction. In your introduction, you tell me your name and from which part of country you are. From which part of like that. If you are from Gujarat, mention the name of the place, and if you are outside of Gujarat, just mention the name of the state. If you are outside of country, then means India, then you have to mention your country name. And recently, I think your third semester result already published. So if you know your result, then tell me the result of the last semester only. Thank you. That much only from my side. Please start one by one. Anyone, please. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, you start, Joy.
My name is Jay Ginoya and I am from Gondal.
Okay.
In third sem, I got 8.30 CPA.
Okay, one thing, we have to, I forgot to tell you people that mention your future target. What is your future target? This is most important. Joy, hello?
And
What do you want to be in future?
I want to crack IELTS and master in Canada.
Okay, masters in chemical engineering, masters in chemical engineering, do you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Canada means foreign degree one, good. Okay, next one please.
हेलो
Hello,
हाँ
sir.
बताइए
Yes, Hassan.
My name is Ashnafi,
हाँ हाँ
Yeah,
and
अरे
I'm
उनको
from.
अंकित जो है उसको बोलो कंपेलर मिल जाए उनको
hello?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, now audible. Okay, fine.
My name is Ashnafi.
Yeah,
I am from Ethiopia,
okay, yes. Ethiopia.
and my future.
Yeah,
I want to help my country in different ways, as I'm a chemical engineer.
yeah, okay, good.
Yeah, this is my future plan.
Okay, thank you. So, presently, where are you now? You are at Marwadi hostel or at Ethiopia?
No, I'm Marwari Hostel.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, be safe because don't go outside much if not necessary because you know that corona now again increasing. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Thank you a lot for your advice, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Advice for all. Okay, next one, please. Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, Aryan. Yeah,
So my name is Aryan Solanki.
yeah,
I'm from Gujarat.
yeah.
Okay, and I want to become a chemical engineer, and future I will be an engineer, and I have to do a job in chemical factories.
Oh, okay. What's your future? Oh, that is future plan. What is your last time result? Last semester?
Uh, I got the 8.36.
Okay. The 8.36. Good. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Next one, please.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
My name is Raj Varasda. I am from Gujarat,
Gujarat, which place?
Morbi.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ceramic
And
City of India.
yes,
Yes, yes. Okay.
future goal is to make our chemical factory.
Yeah.
And
Based on, so you want to go for higher study or just after BTech you start your own
no,
factory?
MTech.
MTech, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
And
You want
7.6 last same result.
okay, okay, good thing. Okay, so many people are saying that doing MTech ME. You want to go, you know that for MTech ME there is all India exam GATE. Do you want to go through GATE or some other way? Am I clear? My question is clear to you, Rajkumar? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, what I'm asking, you want to do MTech or ME, whatever. So you want to go through GATE exam or other way?
Other way.
Other way, why? Why not GATE?
Gate is also hard.
No, no, not hard. Hey, आपको कोशिश तो करना है. You see, it is the
वो
people are
ट्राई
saying.
तो ट्राई तो करेंगे वरना नहीं है तो दूसरे तरीके से.
हाँ, वो ठीक है. इतना तो ठीक है. बट ट्राई नहीं करके पहले से हार्ड सोच के तो कोई नहीं होता है ना. आप
नहीं
सोचो.
ट्राई तो करेंगे.
You see, people are saying this is the means working Karam Bhumi of Sri Krishna. So उनका जो what he told in Gita that कोशिश करना आपका काम है, for result क्या आएगा, you don't wait for the result. Result will come according to you, according to their way, but you try your best. That is my suggestion to all. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next one, please. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
So I am Valarian. I am from Rajkot.
Yeah.
I became a chemical engineer and goes to PSU companies via GATE exam.
Okay, thank you. What is the last semester result?
8 SP.
Oh, okay, thank you. Good. Okay, so Rajkot, which place?
I am
Hello?
from Madhabar job.
ओ माधापर चकड़ी, कहाँ रहते हो भाई माधापर में?
माधापुर में यहाँ पे ड्रीम विल है ना, वो ब्रिज है।
हाँ, ब्रिज तो है, जानता हूँ।
हाँ, ब्रिज के पास वो रेलवे ट्रैक्स है ना, वहाँ पे।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है। मैं भी माधापर में रहता हूँ, बट आफ्टर द ब्रिज। ओके, दैट गो।
ओके ओके
ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक
थैंक यू सर।
यू। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज।
Hello, good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग कंद्राप।
Sir, I am Kandar Bhatt. I have recently finished my diploma in chemical engineering,
ओके,
and I am from Marwadi University itself,
या
and I live in Rajkot.
ओके, व्हाट इज योर फ्यूचर टारगेट?
Sir, I am currently director of my chemical industry. I have chemical industry, and we are manufacturers of magnesium chloride, hexide flex, and bromine.
Magnesium chloride and what others?
Bromine.
Bromine. Then
Yes, sir.
another one. These two chemicals you are preparing.
Yes, and sir, we import humate fertilizer from USA
Okay, okay.
in Asia, in all
Okay,
over Asia.
okay. So you see, bromine is very highly health hazardous and toxic. How are
Yes,
you managing? How are you managing? This is my own perception only. How you are managing your workers and you people, the atmosphere, because highly toxic. This is very.
Yes, sir. We have a highly trained staff,
Yeah.
and we provide them safety shoes, mask, glassware, etc.
The normal dress or they have the special type of dress?
No, sir. Normal type of dress, cotton shirts and cotton trouser itself.
Okay, that with helmet they have to use, go, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, helmet, sir.
Yes, sir, because highly toxic. If you inhale this smell, then you may be senseless for after some time. Whatever I feel that bromine is highly corrosive.
It is highly corrosive, but sir, we can for safety we keep liquid ammonia there. So
Oh,
if,
okay.
by mistake, if anyone inhales bromine, we give them ammonia.
Oh,
So by inhaling ammonia, all bromine in body comes out.
yeah, because it is enough for beer will go and then it will comes out. But yeah, so that is fine. Okay, so next one, please. Hello. Hello. Anybody, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start. Vicky.
Sir, my name is Vicky Gater. I am from Jamnagar.
Yeah. Okay. What's your future target?
Sir, in chemical industry job.
Chemical industry job. Okay. So, do you want to go for higher education or after B.Tech only?
After B.Tech only.
Okay. Which chemical industry? Do you fixed any company you have mind for that? Because Jamnagar is basically famous for
Near
oil refinery.
energy or Reliance.
Reliance. Okay. Reliance is very famous and a good package also they are providing. If they get this, that's a very good job. Okay. Very
Yes.
good. Okay. So, what is your result after last semester?
7.38.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, next one, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Raj Nanera.
Raj, go ahead, Raj.
I live in Jamnagar, sir.
You are from which place?
Jamnagar, sir.
Jamnagar, Jamnagar. Good.
Yes.
Good. Then future target क्या है आपका?
सर नयारा में जाने का, केमिकल इंडस्ट्री.
Chemical industry. So वो भी
हाँ.
ये है. Means what that whatever he told Vicky. I think Reliance. For you also Reliance preferred.
नहीं, नयारा सर, नयारा.
Oh, अच्छा. Okay. What is your so you want to go after your BTech as soon as completing BTech, then you want to go for job, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the result after last semester? I mean, in last semester?
7 SPI, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So try to increase this thing there because then nowadays competition is increase more. Okay. So next one, please. Thank you, Raj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mustafa.
Mustafa.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
I'm from Mithapur, sir.
Mithapur. Okay, you go ahead, then I will take.
Yes.
Okay, you are from Mithapur, then. बताओ.
मिठापुर में सर केमिकल इंडस्ट्री है, टाटा केमिकल्स.
Yeah, you want to go there?
Yes, sir. My future plan is this.
Okay. So after BTech only you want to go this, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your result after last semester, Mustafa?
8.8.
8.1, good. But I know Tata Chemical, one of the scientists when I was doing the PhD at Central Salt, there is one Bengali person. He came for our lab to do some bromine related work, how to separate this. That is other matter. But Mithapur is very famous for the Tata Chemicals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Go ahead. Other one, please.
Sir, my name
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ, कोई चिंतन और कुशल कोई भी एक बताओ. चिंतन बताओ.
I am from Jamnagar.
Okay. जा बताओ उसके बाद क्या.
सर मेरा गोल ये है डिग्री खत्म करके नयारा में जॉब करने का.
नया में जॉब करने का. Okay. What is your result after in last semester?
6.5.
Okay. Try to increase something more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Another one, please. Kushal.
Sir, my name is Kushal. I am from Jamnagar.
Okay.
I refinery में काम.
Oil refinery. Okay. Reliance Oil Refinery is very famous for in Jamnagar. Okay. There is some other company also there. So you want to go for oil refinery. Okay. Thank you. Okay. What is the result in last semester?
8.
क्या कितना?
8.
8. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Next one, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Chintan Javia. I am from Rajkot.
Javia, Chintan. बताओ.
Yes, sir, future plan making chemical industry.
Making chemical, good. So you want to create job for other people. Yes, very good. Okay, job में जाना है तो ठीक है, but job creation not easy job. It is very difficult job, but you have target to take the challenge.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So Rajkot कौन सा place? Which place in Rajkot?
University Road.
Oh, University Road. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is your result in last semester?
7 SPI, sir.
Try to increase little bit, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Next one, please. Hello. Hi, sir. अभी थोड़ा बताओ. अभी कुछ उसका नाम था. एक सेकेंड. Yeah, I saw ठीक है. That okay. Sir, mic problem. Okay. Abhi Charola. He is telling that his name is Abhi Charola. He is from Morbi. Last semester he got 7.4, but his future plan is business. Okay. What type of business do you want to do? Hello, Abhi. So many types of business. You are starting for chemical engineering. So what type of business you want to do? Hello, Abhi. Ceramic, yeah, good. Because he's from Morbi, so ceramic is the very familiar with Morbi because people are saying that is the ceramic city of India. So good, Abhi. Then next one, please. Anyone? Bhumik Bhikaria, please go ahead. Try to speak. Please go ahead. कोई जो बाकी है भाई बताओ. So many people are remaining. Only Bhumik. I live in Rajkot. Bhumik, you to if you speak it is better. If you have no problem others than this, then you go to this. Okay, go ahead. Whatever you want to speak. Okay, I live in Rajkot. Network problem. Okay. What's your future target and mention a result? Future plan works in plastic industry. Yeah. Okay. Bhumik, you want to do work in plastic industry. Do you know what is the challenge presently plastic industry have? What are the challenges plastic industry facing? What is the most very big challenge plastic? I have got some. Yes. Okay. Bhumik, I got your everything. But you, according to future plan, you mentioned that you want to work in future plastic. Maybe you want to start also. That is not problem. But my question: do you know that what the presently which kind of challenges plastic industry are facing? Hello. Plastic is very harmful. Yes, it pollution control. It is the very difficult part for plastic because you know that plastic is not so it's may got banned. Not banned. It will not be banned because if it is banned, then huge economic problem and lot of things. So, but people are trying to get the biodegradable or less pollutant plastic. If people are getting something, some new technology, if it's coming, then everything will be solved. So that is the other one, please. Yes, so I want what to contribute in it. Okay. Hey, Pratik, hey, everybody not having the problem mine. So one by you are coming for chat. That is right. But you see, all of your friends are there. If you want to, if you don't want to tell your result, that is fine. But tell your name and future target. That is my suggestion only. At least you give your Pratik. I am Pratik Dave. I am from Amreli, Gujarat. I have takes. Okay. Future plan is try to job in GSFC. GSFC. GSFC, which type of company it is? Pratik? What they are manufacturing? GSFC? Hello, Pratik. You should tell the name of the GSFC full. Pratik Dave. It is a fertilizer industry. Yes. GSFC full form है Gujarat State Fertilizer Company. So they are manufacturing fertilizers. GSFC having big unit at Baroda. Yes, Gujarat State Fertilizer Company. Yes, right. Okay, next one, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Sarul.
Yeah.
I'm from Somnath.
You are from?
Somnath.
Oh, Somnath. Okay. Somnath temple. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me.
After BTech, I am due to job.
Which type of job?
Reliance.
Reliance. Okay, Reliance oil refinery, Reliance industry. So many they have the job. They are also very big intaker. So, okay, good. So, what is your result up to last semester?
6.9.
Okay, please increase something. Okay, then it's better for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah,
My name is Tingani
good
Niraj.
afternoon.
I am from Rajkot.
Yeah.
My future plan is job from chemical industry.
Chemical industry, yeah. Chemical, you want for chemical industry job. That is good.
Yes.
Good thing. Okay. What is your result in last semester?
6.
Oh, please increase something. Okay, it is good for you. It is okay. Numbers you are getting better.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Anyone, please?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Deva Bhuva.
My name is Dev Basumane. I am from Dwarka.
Dwarka, okay. Krishna place. Lord Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dwarka.
My future goal is oil refinery job.
Oh, oil refinery job. After BTech or after MTech? Or going to do any higher education? Any plan?
नहीं सर डिग्री करके फिर
बीटेक करने के बाद ही ना?
हाँ.
Okay.
My last sem 7.9 SPI.
Okay. Increase something. Okay. How much you improve yourself, that is always better. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Dusra. Next one. Hello. Anybody remaining, please?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Tafara from Japan.
Yeah. One people. Yeah, Tefel. Yeah.
I'm from Ethiopia.
Yeah. Good. Okay. What do you want to do in future?
I have many plans. I'm going to Chemotron. That is programming on the chemistry.
Okay.
Going to job if I get first, and I go to and take masters.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So good. So presently, are you at Marwadi Hostel? Am I right?
Marwadi University Hostel.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Next one, please. Thank you. Next one, please. I think Joy was trying at that time. Joy Mehta.
Sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Binam.
Hello. Yeah. You carry on.
Yeah, I'm Binam. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm from Ethiopia and I'm in Marwadi Hostel.
Yeah.
And my last semester, my last year was the point like 8.1.
Okay, good. But try to increase something, okay?
And my future plan, okay. And my future plan was is to work in industry like alcohol industry.
Yeah, alcohol industry. Okay, good. So, good thing. Okay. Do you know alcohol industry? Which alcohol they are using most for the alcohol industry? So many alcohol they are using, but some of the alcohol very much using for that whatever you know, that beer or something. That one particular alcohol used most. Do you know that? What is this name of the alcohol?
Beer.
Yeah,
Sir.
beer is that, but beer is not the alcohol. Alcohol is there. That is something they put that, but it is ethanol, C2H5OH. Ethanol having the maximum percentage in any type of alcohol industry, people are using ethanol huge amount because it is not that much toxic. It is not that much problematic. But if you take the methanol, it is very much difficult, very much danger. You know that once upon a time, I think 3-4 years before, Ahmedabad, one incident happened due to that soft drinks like hard drinks like the beer. So drinking, because people mix that business person mix some methanol there, and if he mix the methanol in not inappropriate amount, so then that will form the methoxide radical, which is very much danger, very much toxic. So this is that's the things only. So that suggestion only that don't drink the alcohol if you don't, if your doctor not suggesting. The foreigners, people are very habituated to drink that alcohol. When I was in USA, I saw that every time they are very much favored to like that alcohol, like that drinking water. So, but not always good. If your doctor sometimes suggests, then only you can do that. Otherwise, it is not. It is better to avoid that. Okay, thank you. Next one, please. Ajudia Kisan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone, please. Mini Chile. Okay.
Yes, sir, I am from Ethiopia.
Okay. Oh, you.
Is it audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. No problem.
So I'm from Ethiopia and I'm living right now in Marwadi
hostel. Okay.
So I want to carry on my education and I want to specialize on biomedical engineering.
Biomedical engineering, very good. Biomedical engineering, very good line. Okay.
Yeah, that is my future plan.
Okay, that is the thing. So, what is the result in last semester here?
8.6.
8.6. Good. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next one, please.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Kisan.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Kisan Ajudia.
Yeah.
B.Tech for chemical job. Future goal.
Yeah.
And last sem SPI 7th.
Okay. You are from Rajkot, no?
Jamnagar.
Jamnagar. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next, anyone?
Good afternoon.
Yes, Joy.
Yes, sir. I am Jay Mehta from Rajkot, Gujarat.
Yeah.
And I have completed my diploma in Government Polytechnic Rajkot.
Yeah.
Recently, I am studying.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Hello. Yes. Now audible. No problem.
Get job like Reliance, Tata, and Naira.
Reliance. Okay, very good company these are. So very good. And they will provide a very good package also. Okay. And you may get your subjective job there. Means which field you are from, you may get this job because they are very big company and very reputed company. Okay, what is your result in last semester, Joy? Hello?
Sorry?
What is the result, your result in last semester?
Last semester, sir, I have joined recently, so my exam has delayed.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So,
nice meeting you.
Okay, thank you. Anyone, please? Chintan?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tarang.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I'm from Maharashtra, Nasik.
Maharashtra, Nasik?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
My future plan is a started food company from manufacturing chocolate.
What do you want to manufacture?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Oh, yes. You like chocolate most then, huh? Yeah, chocolate. Okay, good. But Nasik is famous, I think, grapes and grapes, na?
Yes, sir. Famous grapes and wine.
Wine. Grapes is
Wine
there,
city.
so wine industry must be there.
Wine
So,
city.
okay. So you want to do manufacture chocolate. So lot of, yes, good thing. Okay. What is your result last time?
Sir, I joined recently.
Okay, okay. You came through that, diploma. Okay. Okay. Next one, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Bhavin. Something problem, Bhavin. Hello? Bhavin. I think your mic having some problem. Okay, you can write in my chat box, Bhavin. Okay, anybody other? I think some people having. Then Bhavin, at the time you can write in chat box. Then I may get about you. Okay, whoever remaining, please. I cannot tell the name, all the name. अभी अजुड्य किसान हो गया Anybody remaining, please? कोई बाकी है क्या? Hello. Hello. कोई बाकी है? Everybody finished? आंसर ये तो आपका तो हो गया. Is anybody remaining? Otherwise, we have to complete that here. Then we'll go for other part. 34 candidates, including me. If permission, sir, I am left the meeting. Some network issue. Okay. Okay, everybody completed, I think. So that is this much actually your introduction. That is everything good. But one thing I want to say is that due to Corona situation, nowadays whole over country, not only our country, whole over world suffering from economical crisis. So you know the GDP growth of every country. So the job and everything is not that much easier. Whatever you feel sometimes before. Nowadays you have to fight a lot. You have to compete a lot. So keep that. So keep yourself that much prepared to fight any circumstances and to be penetrate anywhere wherever you desire that. You want to go there. So you see, people wants to job, but you know the last time that big company like Reliance, they deduct the salary, and some cases very lower grade workers, they reduce the number. If not only Reliance, even some other company also done that. So that situation due to the Corona situation. But if you are eligible enough, so if somebody doing that, okay, so the job will not problem for you. Job will come to you. जो 3 Idiots का आमिर खान का वो लास्ट ये है वो कोटेशन पता है जो काबिलियत बनना है जो आई डोंट नो मैं एग्जैक्टली वो कोट तो मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा है बट वन थिंग ही वांटेड टू से दैट सो job will come to you if you are very much eligible to for that. So you no need to go that job will come to you. So that is the thing. So if you are very eligible, you will get your position. Anyway, nobody. So you see, when the Marwadi University you join that, you have seen that Marwadi University the wall. Every lot of places it is. Knowledge is the currency of the 21st century. Very much, very good sentence. Knowledge. knowledge. Means knowledge not only your theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, experience knowledge, skill, everything is the currency. If you have the skill, knowledge, and practical experience, means practical knowledge, so then you can survive. Nobody can defeat you, nobody can beat you. So this is that much things I want to say, you people. So today, another 2-3 minutes I can discuss the, I think, syllabus. You know that I think somebody having some network issue, that put your attendance here, then you can leave that. Then you can leave if you have the some attendance issue. I'm from Bhavin. I am from Ahmedabad. Bhavin, I got some to my future goal is family business. Okay, Bhavin having some family business, and so he wants to carry on that. So my subject is the material science and composition. So in that subject, in next class I will come for details. You have the total 5 chapters. First chapter is the solid state structure of the crystalline solids. Then second chapter is the properties of the engineering materials. Third, I think, metalloids. Then fourth, I think, metals and alloys. Sorry, third is the metal. Fourth, I think, diffusion mechanism, and fifth is the ceramic composite materials and nanomaterials. I will take the your people the first chapters, structure of the crystalline solids, and last chapters, nanomaterials, composite materials, ceramic materials. You people are from the so many people are Morbi, so you know that ceramic is how much important. So these 2 chapters I will take this thing. Another 3 chapters will be taken by Dr. Hitaisi Bhatt. She is from physics department. I think she is taking your chemical engineering and thermodynamics. Am I right? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. She is taking. She will take other 3 chapters. So this your next lecture I will show you that all the syllabus and everything, and so you know the solid state and the nanomaterials. So what do you know about the nanomaterials? Anything? So 2-3 minutes I will just discuss that, then I will leave that. Do you know what do you know of the nanomaterials? क्या nanomaterials के बारे में आपको क्या पता है? Hello? What do you know nanomaterials?
Is a material with a nano meters or measurements.
Nano size materials. Yes, you are nano nature materials. So what is the nanometer? Means what is the relation meter and nanometer?
-9.
Hello, sir.
-9.
10 to the minus
9.
minus 9 meter. Yes, is right. So you can imagine how much small it is. So normal nanomaterials, whatever you don't know, the range is the 1 to 100 nanometer material size is the nanomaterials. I mean, up to 100 nanometer size materials you can consider it as a nanometer. But bigger than these, people not that much important, because then your surface area and surface activity will be reduced if you are going for bigger size. So they're not that much interesting. So nanomaterials you have lot of application and lot of physics, chemistry research is going on this thing. You know, nanomaterials nowadays everywhere you can find out the application. Lot of things they have this thing. And another one thing, composite materials and ceramics. That is the ceramics part. You know that in your area that how the economy depends on that this area, and India is getting huge foreign exchange money by exporting this ceramic material outside country. Maybe due to lockdown, maybe some business, maybe some hamper due to that is something. So next lecture I will start this solid state chemistry first part. So today, up to this, my lecture, please put your attendance here through a portal. Then I'll give that. Thank you. Thank you. Please give your attendance, please. Please put your attendance. Then you leave that.
Sir, syllabus will come in e-content.
Syllabus I will have next lecture. I will show that. Okay, no problem. I think e-content may be e-content. I will upload that whenever e-content I will upload. But I will tomorrow जो next lecture जब आएगा मेरा ना तब मैं syllabus आपको मैं display कर दूँगा. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
no
sir.
problem. Okay. Okay. Yeah, why you are late that much? Now you want to come to join? Hello, so Nitesh Bhagama. Hey, why are you that much? Okay, first day I am allowing you people, but please join at the time. At the end of the lecture, don't join it. Okay, thank you. Hello? मितेश मितेश कुछ बोलने चाहते हो मितेश? Hello. If the problem in the network, then you can chat, write in chat box. Hello. Mitesh. Please put your attendance, please. Mitesh, please write in chat box. No problem. Please write in chat box. Mitesh Sabha. Okay, thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the interactive lectures session. Tomorrow, next lecture onwards, we will go through the details. Thank you. And see you.